For me, that is not right. It's not okay. The first job of the government of Uganda is to protect the people of Uganda. And that is what the government must do. And if this government is not ready to listen, they are going to hear whether they want it or not. So I want to urge all of you to be ready to stand with us for peaceful change of government. I am not fearing their guns. Those guns belong to the people of Uganda. And therefore we're going to continue our politics which work for the people of Uganda. As UPC, we have demonstrated our ability in history to fight against disease. On top of that, we're going to be fighting for quality education for the children. And also very importantly, a UPC government will be working towards ensuring that people can earn a decent living. So I have come here basically to launch the ambulance. I'm interested in fighting than helping people. We have now military equipment in Congo, in Sudan, in Somalia, yet people here in Uganda are dying. You have a government which would rather buy a tank than buy an ambulance for its people. I am not part of that one. For me, I want to honor the people who really save lives in this country. And for me, it is like the medical professionals. Those are the ones who save people every day. Make sure that in the future government, the UPC government, the nurses will be treated as the heroes of this country, not those who kill people. What Sarah has done is commendable. But she has done it because there's a government which is not caring for the people. For me, I don't want to kill anybody. There are those who are saying they want to kill people. For me, I want to be known as one who saves people's lives. My heroes, the people I salute, are the nurses, the teachers, the farmers. And therefore, the UPC government will be working to equip those who are on the front line to be able to fight the war effectively and save the people of Uganda. I want to salute the nurses who work day and night to save our people. I salute you. I honor you. For me, those are the people we must support. Those are the people we must strengthen. Those are the ones we must work for.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.